Hi guys. Oh shoot, someone's watching me. Someone's watching me. Welcome to this video. Right, if I put the camera down or something, that means I'm embarrassed. But anyway, we're walking to the shops right now. Brooke will be filming sometimes. And yeah, comment down below if these shoes match with my outfit. So these pink shoes, trainers, skirt, top. So guys, comment down below if they match, because I think I look like a gypsy. So yeah, and right now it's actually really cold. Oh shoot, someone's watching me. Also, comment down below if you want me to go places later on. We might go 4 Seasons, because I'm gonna ask my mum and I might film a bit there. So yeah, stop going on about the camera. And comment down below. Yeah, comment down below a lot of things. And comment if you want me to go clown hunting in these woods. But I mean, like, there could be mysterious things in there. Should we do it today? Should we do it today? Yeah. On the way back, guys, if we get through it. I don't know. Maybe it's my dream. Maybe I'm still in it. I had it too. Oh God. Comment down below if you heard that. It was like, oh! Ellie, show them that toy. Toy? Hear that? Again, hear it again. Show them that toy in the woods. Oh shoot, there's a toy in the woods. It's like blue. Oh my God, I heard it again. Guys, I'm getting out of it. Let's go. Go. Yeah, let's go guys. We're running. Here, Brooke, you film yourself running. Let's go.